riders. Good shift today on the weekend, driving these two backwards and forwards. So thank you to all the drivers here at Bucknell and letting you use the facilities. Shout out to some of the sponsors as well, you know, so more than over here, one of their people, thank you very much. So each man with that house and the rules over there as well.
Come on, Lewis! Dig! Come on, big lad!
Thank you to all the sponsors out here. A really easy contribution today. But we're back down to the big Saturday on the 30tonne. Louis going down the course here. Keeping those steps quick. Like I was saying, it can be deceiving sometimes when you see those small steps, but it is moving and it's moving well through this course. Lewis, if you can keep this going, this could be a good time. Can't threaten Andrew Bainbridge on that. Looked a quick time for the first showing out with the member. This is looking good. Lewis down the course and he's keeping that power applied. And I think that's going to be a good time. I won't clarify all these times with you, but well done there, Lewis, on the official finish. And we're over the line. That's going to be a good time late.